Well, got the Carina into the garage, even though I should really be working on that, because I thought the Carina was just going to be a quick little spice her up and take her to tech. But yeah, there's some rot there. So I got a new sill from a Nissan Micra, whatever. Well, for free, because it was just laying around a friend's place. And well, I got a little too excited reassembling the carburetor. It works, seems to work just fine. It doesn't idle quite yet, but I haven't touched the idle screws. All I've done is just put it on and back the car into the garage. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, this sort of escalated. But I'm taking the carpet out and all that jazz. I do not feel like setting the car on fire while welding. So yeah, gonna keep doing that. Yeah, it's pretty crusty, but it's not gonna be too hard. It's just the whole length of the sill. I'm gonna need a flat piece of floor with a 90-degree bend on it, basically. Beat in some of those profiles with a hammer. And then the inner sill is just going flat down. A dent isn't supposed to be there, like this thing. It's supposed to be flat. And it looks like I can use the micro sill if I mount it upside down. Like cut it along this edge and bend this edge out to be the lower lip of the sill. Well, just gotta get her done. I don't really like that everything smells like gasoline in here, but well, should be fine. There's nothing in the tank, and it's probably just fumes from the carburetor. So I've been filling it with a ketchup bottle like usually. Yeah. That's a good tip if you live in Norway or somewhere with ketchup bottles like that. They're great for filling things. Nice little easy spout on it. So yeah. Rust proofing the Granada fender. That's pretty good. Ferrobet. Some sort of, what is it? Phosphoric acid, I think. With some sort of zinc. Anyway, it's getting late. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Oh yeah, and my shitty fucking Cryobi angle grinder died. So fuck that, and I'll be getting Milwaukee stuff for the 18 volts too. Alright. Work continues on the Carina. Well, I was gonna wait until I had steel to fix the sill. You see that little thing? That's all that's left of the original bottom. And I don't have enough 1.2mm steel left to fix it. But I found a whole plate of 0.9mm steel. There. Almost whole. So I figured I'd have a crack at making a rear wheel arch. Repair panels for these cars are non-existent. So I'm gonna make it myself. I use some heavy-duty cling wrap, the sort they'll wrap up timber and shit like that for you at the stores with. It doesn't stretch as easy as usual cling wrap, so you can make stuff out of it. Just be careful. Anyway, any metal work like this will just be a rough estimate of how big your part needs to be. As you can see, the previous owners of some time have made the wheel arch out of fiberglass and Bondo. Great. But well, I found good steel there. Yeah, I know there's some bad stuff back there too, but I'm not gonna worry about that because it's not visible. This shit is. So yeah, gonna keep on doing that. So yeah, you just lay your plastic down on the paper, and as you can see, you just cut away stuff and mark off. So now I can just take off the final piece, and we have the part. What comes now is a lot of hammering, cursing, probably throwing the part away, making it again, stuff like that. It's a process for sure. Trev's blog is a better source, I think, of this stuff, but it's fun to do. Just try your best, get it done. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Most of the marks can be tidied up with a flap disc or something like that. Fitment isn't all there. I shrinked it a little too much. As you can see, need to stretch it out a little bit again along the top edge there. And just use this thing. Wish I had a foot operated one, but I don't. It's kind of hard to film it. I'll try. Yeah, I think it goes in there. And it stretches the middle. It's kind of all there is to it, but not that easy to use always. Well, live and learn. Yeah, I decided to make a little angle thing to hold the rolly thingy. Can't remember the name. Never mind. Anyway, the panel is starting to look good. There's a tiny bit of shrinking left, both inside and out, but other than that, it's looking pretty fine. A lot better than what is there. It's like an inch of Bondo and bullshit. So all I have to look forward to now is making the inner fender, which is gonna be equally violent. No, it's fine. This has taken me maybe a couple of hours. And it's fun. I like doing it, and it's rewarding as hell. Is it perfect? No. Look at the rest of the car. It's fine. Not much of a panel for not much of a car. Well, it's getting late, so I'll continue this tomorrow or someday, and y'all have a nice time. Try to do stuff, and if you have to stay inside, I hope you're not going crazy. So, yeah. That's it for now. Have a nice one.